The verse 9, dito tayo kukuha ng aralin sa verse 9. Na? Kasi nandito po yung anything you say to the wise will make them wiser. The verse that most closely align with the sentiment, anything you see to the wise will make them wider, is Proverbs 9, verse 9, which states, give instruction to the wise man, and he will be still wiser. Teach a righteous man, and he will increase in learning. This verse emphasizes that wise individuals are receptive wisdom with given instruction or guidance. The number one, openness to learning. The verse highlights that a wise person is not stagnant in their knowledge, but actively seek to grow and improve. Dapat may improvement ka. Growth to instruction, I suggest that wisdom is not a fixed state, but a continuous process of learning and development. Continuous process in learning. No? Amen? Practical application. Ano yung practical application? Yung pinag-aralan mo, hindi yan sa utak lang. I-action. Gawin mo yon. When God correct who He love. Pag kinokorek ka, ibig sabihin mahal ka. Amen? Proverbs 3:11-12, my child, do not reject the Lord's discipline. And don't get angry when He corrects you. The Lord correct those He loves just as parents. Correct the child they diligence in. Open your mind to the Lord, brothers and sisters. Pagpapala ito sa amin at may bahagi namin sa mga taong nangangailangan din. Pagpalain mo rin ang aming pag-uwi, gabayan, patnubayan, makarating ligtas kami sa aming paruroonan. Pagpalain mo ang Saturday group na patuloy silang lumago, hindi lamang sa financial, kundi sa iyong mga salita. Sa iyo namin ipinagkatiwala ang lahat ng ito sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Lahat ay magsabi ng malakas na Amen.
Amen.
God bless you all.